Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make hummus food fusion. First, gather your base ingredients: 1 15-ounce can of chickpeas, 2 tablespoons of tahini, the juice of 1 lemon, and 1 clove of garlic. Blend these until smooth. Next, consider your fusion additions. Think about what flavors you enjoy and how they might complement the creamy texture of hummus. This foundational step is crucial for any delicious fusion creation. Now, let's explore some exciting flavor combinations. For a vibrant, sweet, and savory option, try blending in roasted red peppers and a touch of honey. If you prefer a kick, add a small jalapeno or a teaspoon of sriracha to your base. For a fresh, aromatic twist, incorporate a handful of fresh herbs like cilantro or basil. These additions transform your hummus into something truly special. Achieving the perfect texture is key to amazing hummus. For an extra smooth consistency, try peeling your chickpeas before blending and add 1 ice cube to the food processor. If your hummus is too thick, gradually add 1 to 2 tablespoons of cold water or aquafaba until it reaches your desired creaminess. Finally, don't forget to garnish with a generous swirl of olive oil and a sprinkle of paprika for presentation. Your incredible fusion hummus is ready to enjoy. Serve it alongside warm pita bread, crisp vegetable sticks, or your favorite crackers for a delightful snack or appetizer. To keep it fresh, store any leftovers in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 5 days. Remember to check the description below for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals to keep you refreshed. Enjoy your culinary creation.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.